everyone, I'm Chemistry Kim.
I'm Molecular Misty.
And today we have an amazing, super special episode about the extrapolation of scientific... Wait, what?
What is that?
I have finally taken over the broadcast of Chemistry Kim and Molecular Misty. And now I can show the whole world my plan to use my dance skills to unleash a giant tornado and destroy the whole world.
Oh my gosh, Chemistry Kim, that's Professor Badweather. He's going to hurt a lot of people.
Quick, we need to go.
Now I'm gonna use my incredible dance moves to bring a tornado!
Hey, Chemistry Kim, will he really be able to make a giant tornado just dancing?
No, Molecular Misty, he won't be able to.
Should we tell him?
Let's see if he figures it out on his own. Maybe we should tell him.
Yeah. Professor Badweather, what are you doing?
I'm dancing to form a tornado!
Professor Badweather, that isn't how tornadoes are formed.
What? How are tornadoes formed? What? How did we get here?
Science.
Tornadoes are columns of air that stretch from thunderstorms to the ground. Very powerful tornadoes are capable of great destruction with wind speeds that can reach over 300 miles per hour. You might be wondering how tornadoes form. Most start from a supercell, which is a rotating thunderstorm. When warm, moist air and cool air meet, they create instability in the atmosphere. Changing wind directions and an increase in wind speed produces a spinning effect that can result in a tornado. Tornado strength is measured on the Fujita scale. This scale ranges from an F0, a tornado that causes light damage and has wind speeds between 40 to 72 miles per hour, to an F5 tornado, a tornado that causes incredible damage and has wind speeds between 261 and 318 miles per hour. Wow! So, we know dancing can't cause a tornado, but you can still make one at home. What do you think, Molecular Misty?
I think that's some fantastic information on tornadoes, Kim. And you know, Kim is using one of these, which you can buy online, to join her bottles together so that she can make the swirl. But you don't have to use these. You can use some things that you probably already have at home. I'm going to show you how to do that now. First thing that you're going to need is some water. We've tinted ours green so that you can see it. You can also add glitter to your water if you'd like. We're also going to need some duct tape, and we're going to need a couple of soda bottles or water bottles, whatever you happen to have. We won't need the lids for them. And we're going to need a couple of washers. These washers just need to be the same size as the open part of your bottle. So, first thing we'll do is we would pour the water into this bottle until it's about 3/4 of the way full. But we're not going to do that because we don't want to make a mess. We are going to put our washer on top though, and then we're going to take our empty bottle and invert it on top like this. Then we're going to take some of our duct tape and we're going to press the two together, and we're going to wrap it around a couple of times until we get a really nice seal. Now, we've already created one of these so that we don't make a mess. So, right here, we have one blue water and a little bit of glitter. And this is what it looks like at home. Can you see the swirl? There's our little baby tornado, safe and sound.
Wow, Molecular Misty, that sure looks like fun. I think I'm going to make one of my own. But first, I think we need to clean up.
I can't wait to show this to the League of Villainous Bad Guys!
Hey, where'd my thing go? My tornado bottle.
Probably that bad weather guy.
Alright, have a sunshiny day.
Did you enjoy today's episode on tornadoes? Then you might want to check these out. This illustrated picture book, Tornadoes by Gail Gibbons. Learn what a tornado is, why they form, how scientists rank them, where they most often occur, and how to stay safe during a storm.
Or you might want to check this one out. The Tornado Scientist Seeing Inside Severe Storm by Mary Kay Carson follows the real-life story of Robin Tanamachi, a professional storm chaser. It talks about what inspired her to chase those tornadoes, what kind of technology they use to study these horrible violent storms, and how these scientists are using the data to collect to help better predict and keep us safe.
I survived!
You survived what?
No, I'm talking about this great book. I survived the Joplin tornado 2011 by Lauren Tarshis. It's part of an exciting series. I survived. This one focuses on Dex, an 11-year-old boy who gets a chance to join a storm chaser as he tracks down a dangerous tornado. But what happens when the tornado starts chasing him?
Or you might want to check this out. Can you survive storm chasing? An interactive survival adventure by Elizabeth Romm. It's a choose-your-own adventure story where you, while reading, get to make your own choices. Could you survive?
I don't know.
Me either.
You know what's cool though?
What?
All these books are available at the Marion County Public Library.
That is super cool.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
A library
A
card.
library card? Who?
Yes, indeed. A library card is all you'll need to check out any books at the Marion County Public Library, including all of these.
So you might want to check them out.
Have a scientific day!